Hey, lots of bots here, and what I'm going to do is a mini book review before I start my next trading video. And the book that I'm going to be reviewing is Sun Tzu's Art of War for Traders and Investors by Dean Lundell. Now, I recommend you buy this book and you keep it in your library, but you buy the hardcover version of it. You don't get the one from eBay or Amazon unless you really are a big Kindle fan. It's the hardcover version is a very nice book. It feels great in the hands, and the reason I recommend this book is because the concepts and ideas that Sun Tzu had on warfare applies to trading. Um, Almost exact. I mean, I can take many of the passages that he had, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do that. I'm going to take passages from this book and show you how they are applicable on charts, as price is moving and trading on a day in the future. So look for that in the future. I'll be doing excerpts of, the book and the passages, and you can see how it actually applies to trading. But the book here is Sun Tzu's Art of War for Traders and Investors by Dean Lundell, and I recommend buying this book. You'll love it, and it will help you greatly in psychology and wisdom and just basic understanding, I guess you can say. So, other than that, I will talk to you guys later, and well, you're going to see the rest of my video from here. Hey, lots of bots here. I'm making a live video for Alan here as to why he should not be thinking about going long with the trend. But that's his system, so that's fine. But you see this red line right here? That's 725. Now from 710 to 725, which is here to there, is a sell block, meaning that this is likely where computers are going to sell the market. I'm going to make this a quick video. I'm going to give you the exact time it's going to go down till, which will be around 8 a.m. There we go. Let's change the color. Let's make it blue to show that it's going to be. So there you go. So I would not want to be a long here. I would want to be a short from exactly where we are at 725. And now I would be looking for us to sell. And I'm going to pause this and come back at exactly 8 a.m. as to show what happened. But other than that, good luck on the trade. It's just statistically improbable that you will win from here, as computers will take over and start to sell the euro. Unfortunately, I don't like to say it, but this is just a bad spot you're in. Anyway, we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I'm gonna post this nonetheless. But we'll see. Um, I'll be back at 8 a.m. to exit this spot position. Let me hold on a second. All right, you see that blue line right there? This is where I want to be out of the trade. So it was a good trade, and I will get out. Let's close this right here. A few more ticks. Let's see if we can. Spot wise, it's a crap trade, really. But it is what it is. What can you do? And other than that, we hit the lines. My expiry on the binary option was for 8 a.m. As you see, this is exactly where we are. This is why I was saying we should not look to get long between this period and that period. But anyway, nonetheless, now let's go over and see if we can actually find a long on a shorter time frame. And I'll mark down the times for you to see if that is possible. So let me see. 1:05. Yeah, okay, I got one. I've got the exact time. That, let me go to the spreadsheet. 8:05, 8:06, 8:05, 8:06. So time is 8:02. So that's in about 3 minutes. So about 8:05 to 8:06. That's in about 3 minutes. Let's go mark that down on the. Let's go to a shorter term chart. We'll delete this line. We no longer need it. Okay. And we'll go to a 1 minute chart. And we'll mark the time right from there. Now, I've got a conflict here. It's either 8:06 or 8:05. But nonetheless, that is from where you would like to get long. So I'm going to pause this and we'll see when the time comes there what the price is. And all right, here we go. It is 8:06. Let's get long here. And let's see what happens if the computers kick in right here. So I'm expecting it to bounce at exactly 8:06 on the dot. So that was a sell. Had winning trade C on the sell side from till 8 a.m. and now I went long at 8:06. So I'm either gonna look really smart or really stupid. No, it's a good trade. So win or lose, I can't predict the future, but I can try it and come close. So I will be back in 10 minutes again, and we'll see what happens. Now this is what I wanted to show also, is that if you see this move down that you have right here, this really narrow move that goes to the previous lows, that's manip right there. That's what I would call manipulation. And I don't know if it's the market makers or whoever, but they try to push it down, and as you see, they can't hold it for long. So what happens is you get the spike up like that right there, and it just spikes up, and then we'll keep on going. So it's really a buy, but they try to make it appear weak, which is kind of interesting, but they're not really good at it. So when you see that, you see opportunities of which you can try to make money off of them, and that's one of them. But anyway, we'll keep on waiting. I have to wait for 8. Let's see, after 8:30. All right, my binary option went off at 15 after. As you see, we got the bounce back up here. And what I'm going to do is exit the spot position as well. Let's get out of the spot. Hold on a second. Alright, I am out of the spot position. Now, it probably will keep going higher here, but that was all I basically needed, 8:06 to where we are right here. It's saying on the 5 up to 8:25. But so what? Nonetheless, I scalped it both ways, short first till 8, then long at 8:06 till right here at 8:15. So I cleaned up on the euro, and I did this live and just wanted to show Alan this trade because he was trading this as well. So he'll win on his 8:15 expiry. Hey, Alan, and there you go. And you can see an example of what I was looking at and looking for. That happened right on the money. Anyway, talk to you later. Lots of bouts. Lots of lots of bots. Better stop drinking in the morning. Just kidding. I'm out. I'll see you later.